Welcome to the Reclaim Your Life Motivation channel, a guiding light in the storm of life, here to help you navigate the murky waters of disappointment and disillusionment. We're here to bring you to the shores of self-belief and self-fulfillment. Today we're diving into a journey of enlightenment, where we examine the critical role of failure on our path towards success. Let's get started. First up, Lesson 1. Embrace failure. Picture this. The world seems to be crashing down, the road ahead looks insurmountable, but it's not a dead end. It's just a detour guiding you towards the right path. So embrace the unfamiliarity, the unpredictability. It's in the unknown that we often find our true selves. Now moving on to Lesson 2. Extract the lessons. Imagine each failure, each setback, each disappointment as a seed, a tiny, seemingly insignificant seed, but under the right conditions it can grow into a towering tree of knowledge and understanding. So nurture it and watch your understanding of the world and yourself expand. Next, we have Lesson 3. Failure fosters resilience. Think of yourself as a blade being tempered in heat. Each trial you endure, each obstacle you overcome, thickens your skin and sharpens your mind. You're not just a warrior, you're a survivor, ready to face whatever comes your way. And then we have Lesson 4. Use failure as fuel. Let the sting of defeat ignite your determination. When you stumble and fall, don't despair. Instead, use the pain of failure as a catalyst, a driving force that pushes you to rise again and strive for greater heights. Finally, we come to Lesson 5, redefine failure. We often view failure as a reflection of our worth, our inadequacies, but we need to redefine that perspective. Failure stands as proof of your bravery, your determination, your resilience. So don't see failure as an end, but as a beginning. Remember, failure isn't the enemy in the pursuit of greatness. It's a mentor, a friend, a test. Each failure is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to evolve. It's a stepping stone guiding us towards our ultimate goal. So be sure to subscribe to our Reclaim Your Life Motivation channel, where we turn stumbling blocks into stepping stones. Your journey of self-discovery and self-improvement starts here. Let's walk this path together, step by step, always moving forward. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, keep striving for success, and remember, failure is not the end, but the beginning of a new, more enlightened journey.